Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, if you are just starting out in affiliate marketing, well, I hope you will listen to this whole video because you're going to make the maximum amount of money with this business if you start high-ticket. So let's get started right now. If you've been searching about high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners, well, you must be wanting to earn high commissions, okay? So this is about being able to promote very highly priced products. And you're going to be earning commissions of $500 or more per sale with this type of affiliate marketing. Where do you find these big high valued items, right? If you look at different affiliate programs out there, there's going to be stuff like Amazon, okay? So Amazon's affiliate program has changed a lot of times, meaning their commission rates keeps dropping. So majority of the rates right now is between 4 and 5%. So looking at about 4%, you need an item that is priced at $12,500 in order to earn just $500. Versus if you promoted digital products or promoted affiliate program that rented out big equipment, then you could actually earn easier with lower price products and higher commission rates. For example, you could be promoting a $1,000 product and earning 50% commissions. So that's a huge difference, right? Pushing a $1,000 product and $12,000 product is huge. So I just want to give you some examples of what kind of niches you can get into. Both if you want to check out Amazon, I will go briefly what kind of products are that high, and then I'm going to show you some other niches that may be better for you to check out. For example, on Amazon, I searched out log cabin kit home, and what it is that you're going to get a kit that you could build little tiny homes on whatever property that you have. So this is sorted by highest priced, and so for this cabin, this costs $34,000. So that would be above the 12,500 mark. But you see, there's not a lot. So there's this one that looks pretty cool. That's 22,000 and then 18,000. So this is one niche that you can look into, but then very quickly you're below 12,500 already, so you're not earning your 500 plus commission per sale. The other category that has high ticket items is in the jewelry section. I sorted price high to low, and this is what I found. So if you're into jewelry, you can promote jewelry from Amazon and get really good commissions this way. And you can see as I scroll down here, there are a lot of varieties. So in this category, there's actually a lot more to choose from than like the log cabin, the cabin kits. So, and you can see that the pricing is staying above 12,500 as I keep scrolling down. So there's two pages basically of high priced items that's above the 12,500 that what we want to be above. See on page 3 after the sponsor, yeah, you're still over 12,000, so that's pretty cool. So you have a nice variety of jewelry on Amazon that you can choose. Another one is cameras I was looking at, but not a lot. You can start here at 19,000, and then let's see, let's go to page 2. 14,000 video cameras. So you're at the border already here. 12,500 is what you want to stay above. So you see, now you're already below. So another niche that's pretty fun to do is the equipment rental. And what equipment rental is like a jet. So this is a private jet charter. Villiers Partners, they are a private jet flight booking site, and they have connections to many aircrafts and destinations. And so this is a very interesting affiliate program because you could literally earn thousands per booking, and you also get to earn repeat commissions for lifetime. So once you have somebody in and they keep rebooking later on, you still earn. And then you get 30%, okay? So guys, if you look at this, this is a two-way return trip from New York to Miami. So this is not even international. This is within the United States, and it's already in the 5 digits like that, 27,000, 30% of that. So how much is that? Wow. So if somebody booked this, you would earn 8,000 in commissions. So this is pretty crazy. So the Q&As down here is pretty interesting. So how much can you earn? Again, 30% bookings and any future bookings. So this is fantastic that you get lifetime commissions. That's one thing that you really want to look for. And they say our top affiliates earn tens and thousands, so 5 figures a month. And many affiliates earn over 5,000, and then they have some that don't earn anything at all. And you get paid via PayPal or wire transfer 14 days after the confirmed flight has flown. And the cookie is here. The cookie tracking is amazing because it's going to be for the whole year, okay? Meaning that if somebody clicked on your affiliate link, they have a whole year for them to go back to the site and book it for you to earn commission. That's amazing. Versus Amazon is 24 hours, okay? 24 hours versus a whole year. So think about that. So for some reason, they have this $5 application fee that is fully refunded with your first commission, or refunded if your application isn't successful. And so it's asking how to target for advertising. So it's telling you to start small, where the high proportion of high net worth individuals are. And these are some of the very popular routes. So if you search, like if you got like an international route like London to New York, that's going to be pretty hefty in the booking, and you could earn so much money like that. So I guess when they book it, you don't get the commission until they actually fly. I don't know how far in advance people book jets, but I would presume they would book it maybe a month or two out in advance. So just be aware of that. But if you continually, drive traffic to this affiliate program and consistently drive traffic, then eventually you will get a monthly recurring income from this affiliate program if you do it like that, right? Here's another one. It's called OceanscapeYachts.com. This is their affiliate program. You could earn really big commissions here as well. This is on luxury travel. So these are people who wants to rent a whole yacht for them to just kind of travel around for the week. So the commissions here are a little bit different. So this is 5% commission on the base charter rate for that vacation, plus 2% commission for any future bookings. So even though it's lifetime commissions, it's going to be less commissions. So even though it's 5%, yeah, it's a lot lower than the jet affiliate program. This is still a pretty decent, okay? So they're saying even the very base rate for a week-long yacht rate it starts at kind of like 25,000 to many times more than that. So meaning it starts at you get over $1,000 per booking basically, okay? And can you imagine that one of these all-in vacation packages can start at around 40,000. It is very lucrative to be in this kind of niche in high-ticket affiliate marketing, but to learn it properly and to know how to promote these, it's really best to learn from a platform like Legendary Marketer. This is an online digital marketing training program platform where you could join their platform to learn about how to promote high-ticket affiliate marketing. They actually specialize in this, and they also offer an affiliate program that have high-ticket commissions as well, because they have a variety of courses. So I've learned from their program. I've done this 15-day online business challenge, as well as a few other of their other blueprints, and I have all these 4 blueprints that they have right here. they have all this information that you can learn from if you don't know how to promote your affiliate products. If you want to do high ticket, this is really the training program that you need to go to because they specialize in this. So for you to sign up for this program and learn from their 15-day online business challenge, it is at workanywherenow.com/best. And you're going to be going through this first 15-day business builder challenge first because that is their basic training that you need to go through before you get to apply to their high ticket affiliate program. Now, their affiliate program, one is free and one is a paid. So they have a free and a pro. You earn a lot more when you are a pro, but of course that comes with a fee. It's like $29.95 per month. You could also earn commissions pretty high with the basic as well, even up to 3-digit per sale. So you have those two options, and I've been with them for over a year now, but I haven't been actually promoting them as much as I would like, but now I am going to promote them more because I have learned from them, and it is a very great program. I've talked to the owner of this, is Dave Sharp. You see him down here. Well, you see him kind of in all the pictures, but this is Dave Sharp, and I've learned from him, and he has actually interviewed me in his Facebook group, and you could probably search me out in there. But they're very supportive. They want you to succeed, and they want to help you if you have any challenges that you're going through when you're building your high-ticket affiliate business. So you have no qualms about getting support, because a lot of times when you join courses or programs, you are left in the dark, but not at Legendary Marketer. So sign up with workanywherenow.com/best, and I hope I will see you in the Facebook group as well. And you do want to be in the Facebook group because that's where all your support is going to be at, and you'll be able to connect with a lot of different people to ask about how to promote these high ticket products. Okay, so I hope you find this video valuable. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to learn more about affiliate marketing and other methods, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, so I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.